Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the T3E smartwatch. I think it's by HIDAMEL. That's the brand that was on the paper, but we're going to give this thing a try and check it out. Open it all up here and try to connect it to our phone and see how we do. So let's see, it comes packaged as such, and it's a nice looking watch. It's got a really heavy duty dial. It kind of reminds me of the Apple Watch Ultra kind of sizing. It's a chunky watch. So let's open it up here. There we go. Okay, so this is what the watch looks like. I'm going to scoot on up closer to y'all. So here, that's what it looks like. And then in the box also, let's see what else we got in here. We got a lot of weight, so let's see what else is inside of this box. Lots of foam. So looks like we have our user manual down here. So we're going to try to connect it up here in a second. And in here, we have all sorts of stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. So we have this is a loop remover. So if you wanted to, so it comes with this rubber loop, which is what I'm going to use, but it also comes with a screen protector, so you can put that on there. Comes with some extra little pins for connecting up bands, and then it comes with this one here. So if you want to put on the black metal band, you could use that as well. I'm not a big fan of metal bands anymore. And then it comes with a charger that's going to have this little 2-pin kind of magnetized thing that'll magnetize on the back, I think. Yep, there we go. So it'll magnetize on. It'll even hang from it. Okay, so that is it. Let's check out our user manual and see how we're going to get this thing going. We have an app QR code right there, so I'm going to go and install that while we're doing the next steps. Let's see. Camera. Okay, so now it's trying to go to uteasy.com to get the one there. And it's going to be the CostPet Fit app. Okay, so the app looks like that. CostPet Fit. Oh, there, it's kind of reflecting everywhere, but there you go. So that is what we are getting. And then let's open this up here. It's nice. I like the rubber bands. Okay. So this is the band here. It's got a couple of buttons on the sides here, one up there, one down there, and one on this side. So it's got 3 total buttons. Let's see what it says. One says power. So let me hold down the power one, see what we get. I probably need to charge it. Oh, maybe not. It says hello. So let's move in here. There, so now it is at a certain point here. It's kind of loading up. What did it say? It says select language. I will select English. And then it says scan it on there. So let me go ahead and set this up. Please read and agree to the privacy policy. Of course I agree. Okay. I'm just setting it up now. It just says select your weight and all these other things here. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of go through it all to get through it. We'll say allow our location and swipe down to sync data. Oops. Okay. Okay, so now it says scan to download app or pair a device. So now I want to do that. Let's go back to the camera. Okay, so now we should be pairing our device. Oh, I guess no, we don't do it from there. Let's see, add a device. So now it says searching for devices. I don't know if you can see it on there. And it says it found the T3E, connect. And you can see we're like 4 minutes into this video and we've got the watch all up here and we say pair, yes. And we have a paired watch. So how cool is that? And we can say allow notifications and everything else. And we are now working. So it even has the right time, 10:28 a.m. here. And then it wants to update my firmware. I'm just going to say cancel for right now, just because we don't want to do that just yet. But you can see here, it's got a touch screen. We can do calls. We can do our activity. We can do a workout. I could say a workout. I want to do an outdoor run. And it says, just go. And then just start now. So there we go, 3, 2. It did say something like it couldn't find a GPS. I'm inside of a metal building here. But here we go. Now we're tracking a run. How cool is that? So now I can go through here. I can play. What is it going to play? It's going to play music maybe? It's got music playing. It can do everything. I could check. I saw on there it had for calls. I workout paused. I can stop it there. Workout paused. Oh, hold. So you hold this down here to stop it. There we go. So we want to end it. So we can do workouts. Oops, I don't want to do that again. But you see, oh, that one there is like a shortcut to it, the shortcut there. But you see you've got all sorts of different options on it here. It'll do the phone calls, it'll do your text messages, it'll give you all your notifications from all your other apps as well. So that's pretty cool. And then you can change the dial. I saw it on there too. I could change my different faces of it. So I can have a watch face gallery there. So I can kind of just go into there and choose a different watch face. If I want to be digital, I can just say download and use. And now it's going to synchronize here. And instead of it being like an analog looking watch, in a minute here, it will be a digital watch. How cool is this? So really cool looking little watch here. And it can do all the different stuff there. And, oh, did I do it? Apply. Oh, I guess I didn't apply it. I just downloaded it, I didn't apply it. So now it says syncing. But you can see it's pretty cool that it can do all these different options in here, and you have a totally good sports watch. So nice and solid and good, so great for running and stuff. And I'm gonna say this is gonna be a great little watch, so it's gonna be totally useful. So if you need a sports watch of some sort, this is a good one to get. So very cool, I like it, thumbs up.